Hey, what's up guys, Tommy. I hope you're doing great. So today I'll be showing you guys how we're gonna color grade this footage with simple note in Davinci Resolve. We're gonna take this from here to death. And this is my reference image, top secret for colorists. Not just colorists, everyone. If you wanna be on top, you need to do research. Alright, let's jump in. The first note we're gonna call it contrast. And our second note we're gonna call it exposure. And the last note on this session we're gonna call it color balance, which is our color correction. You need to know there's a difference between color correction and color grading. Alright, let's go back on the contrast node and change the value to 1.2. For exposure, we need to use the scope because we have to balance our shadow and our exposure. And we're gonna bring up our exposure, making sure the exposure and the shadows are well balanced. And on the other side, the color balance needs to be on the same level. There are two ways you can solve that, and this one is quick. Let's bring our Lumimix to the value of 0, and now you can play with the RGB separately. We have finished with our color correction process. It's time to be more creative. You need to know that color correction and color grading are two different things. Let's create a new note. Add +S. Because I have a reference image, I know what grading I'm working on. Let's adjust the game and the gamer to create an orange type look. Add a parallel note. We have to color grade our skin tone. Go to color presets. Now we have our skin tone selected. Click on the qualifier options. I think I need to tweak a little bit and see what I can come up with. The shadow look pretty dark. Based on the reference image that I have, I need to change it as well. We're going to use the qualifier to select where we can do our changes. The leaf is a shadow. There's a lot of things you can do using the leaf, but for now we're gonna use it to affect our shadows. And for background, I need to create a mask to create a little bit greenish to it. And I think now we're going from the orange and tall look. Alright, now we're gonna add a second parallel note, because I just wanna play a little bit of the shadow and see if I can create the same look as my reference image. And this is the before and after. I'm gonna select all my nodes, just trying to... I see nodes in the video. Let's go to a motion effect. On frame options, we're gonna choose a number of 3. On temporary threshold, we're gonna add a value of 8.8. Alright, I see that we're not really close to the looks of our reference image, it is time for us to take a look at what we can add. I think it is time for us to use saturations, the saturants and the color boost. Now we're gonna see how we're gonna tweak both to get the same look as our reference image. Alright, I have increased my saturation. I don't feel any changes to that. So it is better for me to add a little bit of color boost and then come back to my saturation, and from there I think I'm gonna have the look that I'm looking for. and we need to add a sharpness to our image. And the final node that we're gonna create is film grain. We need to add film grain to add more quality to our image. So now we're just gonna tweak on the grain textures and increase the size and the grain strength and see what we're coming up. It is up to you. What seems good for you guys, and go for it. Alright guys, there you have it. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded any tutorials on my channel, and I hope this is gonna help you guys to create cool stuff. So guys, leave a comment and anything that you guys want to see in the next video, cause this is a new year and I'll be uploading amazing tutorials for you guys, and I will see you next time. Peace.